Getting rich and becoming a millionaire is a taboo topic, and saying it can be done at the age of 30 seems like a fantasy. Well, it shouldn't be taboo, and it is possible. At the age of 22, I got out of university broke and in debt. And by the time I was 30, I was a millionaire. Here's the 10 steps I took to become a millionaire. Follow these steps, and by the age of 30, you can be one too. Number 1, follow the money. Saving your way to millionaire status is not the right way. The first step is to focus on increasing your income in increments and repeating that over and over again. My income when I got out of university was at around $3,000 a month. And 8 years later, it was over $20,000 a month. Start following the money, and it'll force you to control revenue and see opportunities. Number 2, don't show off, show up. I didn't buy my first luxury watch or car until my businesses and my investments were producing multiple secure flows of income. I was still driving a Hyundai when I became a millionaire. Be known for your work ethic, not the trinkets that you can buy with that money. Number 3, save to invest, don't save to save. The only reason to save money is to be able to invest it. Put your saved money into secured and untouchable accounts. Never use these accounts for anything, not even for an emergency. This will force you to continue to follow step 1, which is to continuously increase income. To this day, multiple times a year, I'm completely broke because I always invest my surpluses into ventures I can't access. Number 4, avoid debt that doesn't increase your cash flow. Make a rule that you never use debt that won't make you money. I borrowed money for a car only because I knew it would increase my income. Rich people use debt to leverage investments and grow cash flows. Poor people use debt to buy things that make rich people richer. Number 5, treat money like a jealous lover. Millions wish for financial freedom, but only those that make it a priority actually have millions. To get rich and stay rich, you have to make it a priority. Money is like a jealous lover. Ignore it and it'll ignore you. Or worse, it'll leave you for someone else who loves it more. Number 6, outwork your competition. Money doesn't know about clocks, schedules, or holidays, and you really shouldn't either. Money loves people that have a great work ethic. When I was 24 years old, I worked in a marketing agency. And they used to close at 5 o'clock, doors shut, lights off. Most times you could find me there until 9 or 10 o'clock at night, making things work to ensure that I always put in the most effort possible. Never try to be the smartest or the luckiest person. Just make sure you outwork everybody. Number 7, being poor makes no sense. I've been poor and it sucks. I've had just enough to get by, and that sucks almost as bad. Eliminate any and all ideas from your brain that being poor is somehow okay. Go to war with being broke. To quote General George S. Patton, success is how you bounce on the bottom. Number 8, get a millionaire mentor. Most of us were brought up middle class or poor, and then hold ourselves to the limits and ideas of that group. I've studied millionaires, and to learn their mindset and principles, I've duplicated what they've done. Get your own personal millionaire mentor and study them. Most rich people are extremely generous with their knowledge and their resources. Number 9, get your money to do your heavy lifting. Investing is the golden goose for becoming a millionaire. You should make more money off of your investments than from your work. The second company I ever started required a $50,000 investment. That company has paid me back over $50,000 every quarter for the last 5 years. My third investment was in real estate. I started with a couple $100,000, which is a very large part of my net worth at the time. I still own those properties today, and they still continue to provide me with income. Investing is the only reason to do the other steps, and your money must work for you and do the heavy lifting. Shoot for a lot more than what you're after. If you're looking to make $1 million, shoot for 10 or 20 million, so even if you don't hit the goal, you're still vastly far ahead compared to where you wanted to get to. One of the single biggest financial mistakes I've made in my early years was not thinking anywhere near big enough compared to the goals that I had. Something to keep in mind, there's no shortage of money on this planet, only a shortage of people who think big enough. Apply these 10 steps in your early years and they can make you rich. Steer clear of the folks who tell you that your financial dreams are born of greed. Avoid the get-rich-quick schemes, be ethical, be honest, never give up, and once you make it, be willing to help others get there too. If you like this video and you want to know when we publish more great videos, hit the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified every single time we upload.